Hi angels, welcome back to my channel, and a hello and welcome if you're new, you're joining me for the first time. My name's Tara. I do makeup tutorials, collaborations, reviews and things like that here on my channel. If that's something that tickles your fancy and you feel like sticking around, then please by all means hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell and join the family. So I have got my little Halloween nails on, guys. They're just little spiders and I picked these up from Home Bargains, which is like a shop that basically has everything from toiletries to makeup to houseware to home goods. It's a little bit of everything in there, and I just picked these nails up. And I've also dyed my hair green. No, I haven't really. I've just stuck on a wig for this video. So in this video, I'm going to be collaborating with my beautiful friends here on YouTube, and we basically get together each and every month and collab together to do national holiday themed makeup. So sometimes it's really good. Sometimes I have no clue what to do on my face for these looks. That's why I'm starting off with a complete and blank canvas, because I haven't got a clue. We're doing the 27th of November is National Pumpkin Day, so we're doing a look around pumpkins, jack-o'-lanterns, things like that. So without further ado and me just babbling on at the camera, let's just jump straight into this look, guys. So I've put this on as like the top of the pumpkin, like it has a little green root, you can see my black roots, but yeah, I just thought it'd be cute. So I'm just gonna spritz some of this primer water on my face. This is the rose water from Primark. It's £2. I'm obsessed with Primark primer waters, as you know. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Lula, I think that's how you pronounce it, foundation. I got this off my sister who got it off Amazon. I will link it down below if I can find it. So the next thing I'm going to use is a contour stick. I'm going to give this pumpkin a little bit of contour, and I'm using my Liritzi contour stick in medium. And I'm just going to blend that in with the sponge. So then I'm just going to powder it all down using the Revolution loose powder. I'm going to be using this from Kiko. It's the Ocean Bronzer in Deep, medium deep. For the blush, I'm going to be using this blush that I got in the glossy box, and this is the Beauty Crop Starring Duo Blush. Loving and obsessing over this duo blusher. So I literally just put my brush in both sides and blush up the cheeks. It's absolutely stunning. I'm also going to put a little bit on the old nose. The palette I'm going to be using today is my Be Perfect Carnival XL Pro palette with Stacey Marie. I'm obsessed with this palette. I love it so much. A liner pencil. I'm going to go into Lights Out, which is that black shade in the palette, and I'm going to do my brows with that shade. Pop a little bit of the P. Louise base onto the back of my hand. This is Rumour 0.5, I believe. Yes, 0.5. So I'm just going to pop a bit of that on the back of my hand. Taking my flat Morphe brush I'm just going to pop that onto the lid and carve out the brows. Taking the shades Keen and Lit, I'm going to mix them together and pop that into the crease. So I'm just placing that down into the crease to begin with. Then across the lid and just blending that out. Really blending that up to the brow bone and bringing that out into the side and smoking that out. Oh, this wig. Then I'm going to just take a big fluffy brush with no product on, and I'm just going to blend that into nothing. I'm then just going to take my beauty blender and clean the edges. Just like so. I'm going to do a little bit of a cut crease with the P. Louise. I'm now going to go into this little palette, which is the Style London palette. I got this in a glossy box, and I'm going to go into this shimmery orange. It doesn't have a name, but it's a gorgeous shimmery orange. And I'm just going to pop that onto the cut crease. I'm then going to take my Ico London I Do liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to do a pretty dramatic wing, I think. And then I'm going to take the Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer in C1 and pop a little bit of concealer under these eye bags that I have. And a little bit to highlight. So I'm going to be putting on some lashes that I've probably got off Amazon a while ago. I just like bought a lot of Amazon lashes basically, because I don't really care when it comes to lashes, because I only wear them when I'm filming anyway. So yeah, because for one, I can't do it, and for two, they are a pain in the backside. So I'm just using the number 7 mascara. I think I got this one in a little Christmas box set last year. I can't believe we're nearly at Christmas again. It's just crazy where has this year gone, seriously. I really am rubbish at putting them on, guys. I don't know why they're going on so like good. No, they would, wouldn't they? Oh, of course they would. Oh, this one is being a little bit temperamental. It's absolutely pouring it down outside. I can hear it. I always like the outer corner of my lashes I always stick to like my liner if I wear them, because then it doesn't do that droopy effect. So that's lashes on. It wasn't that bad at putting them on. Normally I suck really bad, but today's a good lash day, so that's good. So I'm going to do the under eye, and I'm going to go into the shade Hype, which is a nice beautiful green shade. And I'm just going to take that on this little brush, and I'm just going to pop that under the lower lash line and just blend that out. Okay, so I've sorted the wig out and done the eyes. So I'm just going to do like a little teardrop skull kind of teardrop on my nose, and I'm going to use my Essence eyeliner pen for this. So I'm just going to take a line up, go round there, and I think I've messed that up a little bit. That's it. And then just colour that in. For lips, I'm just going to go in with a little black lipstick. This is just one that I got from Poundland. I probably used it last year in my Halloween. I'm now going to do the under eyes, and I'm just going to go into the shade Hype, which is a beautiful green shade, and I'm just going to smudge that under the under eye. So going into the shade Hype, I'm going to take that under the lower lash line. For a more glam approach to this look, which I'm really loving actually. I really love it. I mean, I'm getting all black in my teeth, but that's fine. So yeah, I'm just going to pop on a little bit of highlight. So I'm going to go into the, oh my god, it's so filthy. I'm going to go into Revolution Roxy palette. This is the face and highlight palette. And I'm going to take this really nice light gold shimmery highlight, and pop that onto my cheekbone. Oh, such a beautiful colour. Tap on my lip, and probably just a little bit on the end of my nose. And this is my look for the pumpkin, jack-o'-lantern, and yeah, I'm getting all black lipstick in my teeth. I might actually just do the little edgy bits on the corners of my mouth. So this is the end of the video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. So this is my pumpkin jack-o'-lantern inspired makeup look. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It would mean the absolute world to me. And yeah, until next time, guys, have a good one and stay safe, and I love you always. Bye, guys.